Have you tried one video and noticed that your free credits disappear way too fast? You create a few amazing AI videos, you get excited, and then suddenly your credits are gone. Now you have to wait or pay. But what if I told you there is a simple method to refresh your free credits again and again, so you can keep testing one video and creating AI content without spending money? In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also show you the results and how you can continue creating more AI videos. One Video is one of the most impressive AI video generators right now. It can turn simple text prompts into realistic cinematic videos. You can create AI stories, YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, movie-style scenes, and many other types of content. But before we talk about the credits method, let me show you what this tool can actually create. This video you are seeing right now was generated completely with one video, using only a simple text prompt. Look at the details. The camera movement, the realism, the environment, and the overall quality are honestly impressive. It looks like real footage, not a simple AI animation. And this is why so many creators are starting to use AI video tools like One Video. But there is one big problem. The free credits run out quickly. After generating a few videos, most people stop because they think the only option is to upgrade. But there is another way. Here is how you can refresh your free credits again and again. First, when your current One Video account runs out of credits, log out from your account. Then create a new temporary email address using temp mail. After that, go back to One Video and create a new account using the new email and go back to temp mail. Copy the verification code and paste it on One Video. After completing the verification process, enter the platform and check your account. You now have a fresh account with new credits ready to use. This allows you to continue testing different prompts, creating more videos, and experimenting with new ideas. You can generate different types of content like cinematic videos, AI storytelling, transformation videos, realistic scenes, and viral short-form videos. The best part is you don't need expensive software. You don't need advanced editing skills. You just need a creative idea, a strong prompt, and one video. AI video creation is growing extremely fast, and creators are using these tools to produce content faster than ever before. The people who learn these tools early have a huge advantage. So now you know how to keep experimenting with One Video and continue creating without stopping after only a few generations. Try different prompts, test different styles, and see what you can create. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'll keep sharing more AI tools, tutorials, and content creation methods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.